Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G42, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this device. Okay, firstly I need to tell you that if you want to clear USB charging port, you need to use only plastic or soft objects to clean your connector so as not to damage your charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which I no longer use. As you can see in my port there is something that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly we need to take the cover off if we have and insert the one part of the brush into our connector. Then just insert one part and just try to pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.